Hello, beautiful people. What's up? Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me. Today's video, I will be showing you guys all of my Makeup Revolution collection, mainly the eyeshadow palettes. Also, if you guys do not know, you're probably living under a rock if you do not know, Makeup Revolution is actually known for duping high-end makeup. So all of the items that I will be showing you today is actually $20 and below. I know. It is insane. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So first, let's go ahead and talk about the Redemption eyeshadow palette in Iconic One. Obviously, just by looking at this palette, you can already tell that it is the inspiration for the original Urban Decay Naked One palette, which, sad to say, it has already been discontinued. But the first Naked palette actually has a special place in my heart because it's the palette that I thought I would never have. And moving on to the next palette, we have the Redemption eyeshadow palette in Iconic 2. And obviously, this also has been an inspiration for the Naked 2 palette. You will be surprised if you haven't used any Makeup Revolution palettes. Their formula even got better. I believe I have these collections like 2 years ago or like I can't remember. But yeah, when John Ray and I were just starting out and when we were on a budget, these are the palettes that I rely on. And the reason why I have the Naked palettes as well, it was actually his anniversary gift for me. He got me a vault, which I'm very grateful of. And next we have the Iconic 3, and this is still an inspiration for the Naked 3 or for the Naked palettes. They actually have everything. Makeup Revolution almost have everything. Like, I can't even think of something that they do not have at this time. The next palette is the Neutrals versus Neutrals palette. Back then, I was actually so in love with this palette, but looking at it right now, I feel like if you lose the berry color, it's not really that interesting. Next, we have the Ultra Cream Contour Palette, and this is actually already expired. I'm about to toss this one after I show you guys. So I can clearly remember the reason why I bought this is because I badly wanted to try new stuff from the drugstore, and it's something that I thought that I can review. So that's the reason why I picked it up, but I'm oily, so it didn't really work out for me. Next, we have Unicorns Unite. To me, the colors in this palette is actually really fun. I've always loved purples and pinks, and looking at it right now, I can definitely say that Makeup Revolution is definitely improving their formula. This is one of their old formula palettes. And then you have the Ultra Contour palette. Now this one, I really love this palette. I forgot how much this is. I believe this is around $10 to $15, and come to think of it, you can even use your coupon. And next we have the Soph X collaboration. To be honest, I haven't personally watched this person, but the color choices in this palette is so beautiful. I really do think that she did an amazing job for this one. So this is actually the first collection that she has. She has another second palette, but I haven't bought that yet, but I'm still interested on buying that one. But I would think that I already have so many palettes with the same exact colors, but I'm a makeup collector and it's so hard to resist. Now, this person I highly respect the most. I am a fan myself, and this is the Emily Edit. So I have been watching Emily for like years and years and years ago, and I really love her style. She's just so chill. She has never been involved with crazy scandals, and I do respect the work that she puts into this beauty community. She does makeup reviews, and she uploads very frequently, and I love her about that. So next we have the Reloaded palettes. This is the Fever, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Naked Heat palette. Now, it's one of the reasons why I didn't grab it anymore because this one, I'm already satisfied. Next, we have the Reloaded Iconic Neutrals 2. I do believe that the colors in this palette attracted me because I really do love pinks. I love a really good pink eyeshadow. If I'm going to have a collaboration, then you best bet there will be a pink eyeshadow on that collection. And then we have the Iconic Vitality, which obviously just by looking at it, this is an inspiration from the famous Modern Renaissance palette. I'll show you guys. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So they do have a lot of palettes that inspires a high-end brand. So if you guys are on a budget, then this is the type of brand that you should go forward to or should look for. Oh my gosh, I must be tired. But anyway, this is actually an inspiration for the Subculture palette. I mean, as you guys could see, the resemblance is super, super close. Moving on to the Gold Bar palettes. Now we have the Rose Gold palette. Now, in this collection, they are around $15. Obviously, you pay for the packaging. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it crazy? Even the textured shadow looks exactly alike. And of course, I will show you guys a comparison side by side. And then now we have the 24K Gold palette. I do not know if this has an inspiration from somewhere out there, but just, comment down below so that we can help each other out. I haven't even touched this. Look, it still has the applicator. That's how you know I haven't touched a palette. And then we have the chocolate mint or the mint chocolate palette. This literally smells like, believe it or not, they even copied like the smell of the original palettes. It's insane. Literally smells like mint chocolate. And these are all your shades. They are so beautiful in my opinion. And we have the chocolate elixir palette. These packaging is driving me insane. It's so beautiful. And this one actually looks like the Vitality palette that we already have. I will just do a side-by-side comparison. And if you ask me if there's any difference when it comes to the formula, I would say there is no difference when it comes to the formula, and the shades are very identical. So I really do feel like you just paid for the packaging on this one. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. That is all of my Makeup Revolution palette collection. Let me know if you have a personal favorite from Makeup Revolution that I should try, because I definitely love talking to you guys on the comment box down below. What should I try, or what am I missing out? Are there something new? So yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support. I really, really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Sassy family is a small family, but I am very happy and blessed to know that you guys are always there for me. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.